now I go and look at the old Clipflow website and I'm like, oh my God, what were we thinking?
And we're back for 2025. How many times am I going to call it 2015? We'll find out this year. But anyway, we all had a good break. I was super keen to get back in, to be honest. Just couldn't wait. We got a whole bunch of feature requests over the holidays and I just wanted to get to work, and it was hard not to touch the computer. But Monday we came in flying. How'd you go, Daryl?
Yeah, I had a really good holiday. Like you said, I was trying to resist jumping back into the work during the holiday, trying to just switch off for an entire 2 weeks, which was difficult at times, but it was definitely needed, definitely refreshed now, especially to come back into what we're doing at the moment.
You're working on something pretty sweet.
I have been 100% prioritized on landing pages, or like the new marketing, replacing the current landing page website, and which will lead into being able to advertise and all of that sort of stuff. So I've been slogging through that, which it's been fine. I've been making progress. It just hasn't been like, it's never really felt flowy, but it's getting to a really good spot. And now I go and look at the old Clipflow website and I'm like, oh my God, what were we thinking? Which is always good. That's what you want to get to that point where you're like, that is so terrible. I'm annoyed that it's still up online. Let's get the new one up. But I've just got a lot more stuff to keep going through to get that stuff finished. But it's been nice to focus on one thing for an entire week. It's been interesting. And push through like when it feels like I just want to move on to something else.
It is. It's tough. It's good. Just focus on that one thing. But I've been taking sneak peeks. You can see me hovering around over your shoulder. It's been looking really cool. I'm excited to build it and figure out how to do it, because what we're going to have is we're going to start running ads this year. Clipflow's ending beta soon, so we are going to start charging, and we will be running ads. And then each piece of creative will go to a specific landing page. This is where a lot of people stuff up. They kind of make an ad and they just send it to their home page. Whereas we're going to be building landing pages for each creative. So if the creative says something, when you click on the ad and go to the landing page, it will say the exact same thing, so that you don't lose, where did I just end up? So we're going to be focusing on that, and then just how to implement that and build it out and make it easy to do so we can smash them out quickly. Been researching and studying ads. Very excited to do them. Can't wait. And just to kind of get some users pouring into the system with money. That's good.
Yeah, I got, that gif of that like young kid where he just like gives a thumbs up to the thing.
Yeah,
I did one which was a landing page, which is the one we were talking about, where if we send someone a link and they click it to check out the website, it opens with that. It's like, thanks for clicking a link from a stranger on the internet. That was like a big risk to take.
have a laugh. Yeah, but I mean that's what it's all about, man. It's having fun. So with the features this week, we also just punched through it, absolutely annihilated Monday, Tuesday. We've built just a lot of quality of life things, but also some really cool stuff. Like we should now show the next task up in a project, who's assigned to that, so that you can very quickly see if a project's kind of stuck on a status or on a task. If it's been sitting with editing for a couple of days, you can see that. We've added project priority, so you can, high, medium, low, very easily tagged it in the Kanban board, because a lot of our users love the Kanban board. So that's got an overall, it's been tweaked and looks really nice. We're now showing, when you link projects together, we're also showing the parent as well as we were just showing the children before, now we're showing the parent. We've changed how that all works and looks. We've added word count to the rich text pages, so that when you're writing a script, you can now see how many words it is and how long roughly that will take to read it through. And then also we've added now, this one was a big one, was the ability to drag ideas straight onto the Kanban. So we've added a new column for your ideas, and you can just pull it straight across. When you pull an idea into the Kanban, it converts it into a project automatically, and you can just keep working with it. So that was quite a big change, and it just makes an idea a bit more of a first-class citizen, not just the sad, lonely sibling sitting in the corner. So we've done that, and then we will also work on making ideas a bit more robust, so that you can ideate better in there. But it's been a big one. We've also got a big challenge coming up. We just have to look at some infra stuff about how we extract metadata from videos. Some of the videos that are being uploaded to Clipflow are now getting very big. So we just need to figure out how we can do that efficiently. We're also seeing big data transfer usages between AWS and Fly, our host. So we might have to migrate off Fly purely because of that, which is super annoying. But it's just one of those things that happens. Like, that's where AWS makes lots of money. It's transferring the data, which costs almost nothing for them, but they charge us a lot. So every time we send from S3 to Fly to process that video file, we're sending gigabytes of data across the line, which is just wasteful. So if we can keep it within the AWS ecosystem, we basically reduce that cost to zero. So in the long run, it's going to be a massive cost saver. So something that I'm going to be investigating next week, but it was an amazing start to 2025 and we're very excited to see where it goes. So catch you guys on the next one.